Hello, everyone! Today, we will learn English vocabulary about jobs. Let's get started. Doctor. A doctor helps sick people. Nurse. A nurse takes care of patients. Dentist. A dentist takes care of our teeth. Teacher. A teacher teaches students. Police officer. A police officer keeps people safe. Firefighter. A firefighter puts out fires. Chef. A chef cooks food. Waiter. A waiter serves food and drinks. Engineer. An engineer builds and designs things. Architect. An architect designs buildings. Construction worker. A construction worker builds houses. Farmer. A farmer grows food. Pilot. A pilot flies airplanes. Singer. A singer sings songs. Actor. An actor acts in movies. Photographer. A photographer takes photos. We're learning about transportation. It's a car. Beep, beep. Car, car. Wow, big one. That's a bus. Beep, beep, bus, bus. Look, 2 wheels. A bike. Ring, ring. Bike, bike. So fast. Here comes a motorbike. Vroom, vroom. Motorbike, motorbike. Yellow car. This is a taxi. Beep, beep. Taxi, taxi. Big and strong. A truck. Honk, honk. Truck, truck. Uh-oh. Here's a police car. Woo, woo. Police car. Someone needs help. An ambulance. Nee-nah, nee-nah. Ambulance. Fire, fire. Look, a fire truck. Wee-woo, wee-woo. Fire truck. Look at the sky. Up high. It's an airplane. Whoosh. Airplane. Spin, spin, spin. That's a helicopter. Chop, chop, chop. Helicopter. So beautiful. Up, 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 up. A hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Look at the water. So big. It's a ship. Boo! Ship. So fancy. That's a yacht. Yacht, yacht. On the rail. Choo-choo. It's a train. Train, train. On the street rail. That's a tram. Tram, tram. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support us. Your support helps us make more fun videos.